Welcome back, everyone. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. It's Tesa with Fun Travel Adventures, helping you make new memories. So now it's time to go on our next adventure, and that is to visit some Orlando hotels. We are now at Lake Buena Vista Resort and Spa. Again, it is another neighborhood hotel that Disney approves of. The salon offers massages, body treatments, facials, nail service, hair salon, boutique, and a makeover. The resort offers 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom condo-style suites with full-size kitchens. We are headed to the Pirates Plunge Pool, which is open daily 8 to 10. It offers a zero-depth entry to allow younger kids a safe place to play, while parents enjoy time on the pool lounges. Kids can also splash and enjoy the shooting water cannons, tumbling waterfalls, and the amazing water slide that goes through the pirate ship. The new Little Pirates Playground is now open. It's open daily, 8 a.m. to dusk. The resort also offers a fitness center and a game room. Both of those are located in Building 1 and are open 24 hours with your room key. Some of the other amenities you will find a Pizza Express, ice cream, an Irish pub, a convenience store for beer and wine, cereal, milk, toiletries, coffee, condiments, anything that you might need. If you want a more quiet atmosphere, they have that also. It's called the Relaxation Pool, located between Building 1 and 2. And this pool offers poolside loungers and towels. Welcome to Margaritaville, Orlando, Florida, where you can choose between modern guest rooms, spacious suites, and private cottages and villages. There are plenty of activities at the resort. You can just lounge around, or you can do sand art, limbo, bingo, tie-dye, and even more. Now, some of the activities have a cost and some are free. The resort offers cabanas for rent, and they have several different packages that will be shared with you when you check in, or they're listed around the pool. If you want to lounge at the pool, they have it. If you want the beach, they have it. So enjoy your time. Salty Rim Bar poolside offers hamburgers, hot dogs, and much more. One thing about Margaritaville, it's definitely colorful. As you can see, some are still under construction, some are villas, some are condos. But because it's Margaritaville, it's very colorful. This pool is still under construction, but you can see there will be a bar area with tables and chairs. Pool's over here. There'll be a small slide. You have cabanas. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video gives you some options on your next visit to Orlando, Florida. Again, remember, for all your travel needs, my email is in the description, or leave a comment here on the channel. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next adventure.